I'm 100% sure you've heard of degrees before, but have you ever heard of radians? Well, if you haven't before, let me show you. Now, let's talk about degrees first. Now, what do we mean when we say degrees? Well, you might know that 360 degrees completes a circle. So that means that 1 over 360 of a circle, essentially if a circle is split into 360 equal parts like this, then this would measure 1 degree, which means that there are 360 degrees in a circle. But what even are radians? Well, let's say that I drew a radius on this circle right here with length x. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the length of this radius right here and I'm going to put it on the circumference right next to the actual radius. So let's assume that this line that I just drew on the circumference of the circle is the exact same length as the radius I just drew. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw another radius connecting to the end of this line. Now what you have here is you have an angle length of 1 radian. Now, if you wanted that in degrees, 1 radian is about 57.3 degrees. Great, so now we know what a radian is, but how many of them fit in a circle? Well, in order to figure that out, let's use a really common formula. Circumference equals to pi times diameter. Now, this can be rewritten as C equals a 2 pi radius because a diameter is just equal to 2 radiuses, or radii. Now, we know that this arc length is 1 radius, so we could just divide both sides by the radius. And we'll get that the total number of radians in a circle is about 2 pi. So, this entire circle has 2 pi radians, or 360 degrees, which means that 2 pi radians is equal to 360 degrees. God bless.